हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम करेंगे ग्रेविटेशन के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस जो काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन। First question is two objects of different masses falling freely near the surface of moon would A option have same velocities at any instant, B option have different accelerations, C option experience forces of same magnitude, D option undergo a change in their inertia. So A option is the correct option, have same velocities at any instant, क्योंकि acceleration of object depends on acceleration due to gravity irrespective of their mass. So they have a same velocities. Second question is the value of acceleration due to gravity. A option is the same on equator and poles. B option is least on poles. C option is least on equator. D option increase from pole to equator. So C option is the correct option. The value of acceleration due to gravity is least on equator because distance between the surface of earth and its center is more equator than in poles. Now third question is the gravitational force between two objects is F. For example, then if masses of both objects are halved, अगर masses को half कर दिया जाए without changing distance between them, then the gravitational force would become A option F by 4, B option F by 2, C option F या फिर D option 2F. अगर masses को half किया है so your force will be A option F by 4. वो 4 times half हो जाएगी, 1 by 4 हो जाएगा. Now fourth question is the relation F is equal to G M and D square. The quantity G जो इस formula में G use किया है, this A option depends on the value of small g at the place of observation. B option is used only when the earth is one of two masses. C option is greatest at the surface of the earth. D option is universal constant of nature. So capital G is यूनिवर्सल कांस्टेंट ऑफ नेचर जिसकी वैल्यू होती है 6.66 इंटू 10⁻11 nm² kg-2. Now fifth question is the atmosphere is held to the earth by A option gravity, B wind, C clouds या फिर D earth's magnetic field. So atmosphere is held to the earth by gravity, so A option is the correct option. Now sixth question is law of gravitation gives the gravitational force between A option the force and a point mass only, B option the earth and the sun only, C option any two bodies having some mass, D option two charged bodies only. So C option any two bodies having some mass is the correct option. Seventh question is the force of attraction between two unit point masses separated by a unit distance is called A option gravitational potential, B option acceleration due to gravity, C option gravitational field या फिर D option universal gravitational constant. So D option is the correct option. The force of attraction between two unit masses separated by a unit distance is called universal gravitational constant. Eighth question is the weight of an object at the center of the earth of radius r is A option 0, B option infinite, C option r times the weight at the surface of the earth, D option 1 by r square times the weight at the surface of the earth. So weight of object at the center of earth is 0, so A option is the correct option. Ninth question is two particles are placed at a some distance if the mass of each of the two particles is double, keeping the distance between them unchanged, the value of gravitational force between them will be 14 times, 4 times, 12 times या फिर unchanged. So two particles at a some distance, अगर उनका mass जो है वो two particles will be double, then their value of gravitational force is 4 times. So B option is the correct option. Now 10th question is an object wins 10 N in air. When immersed fully in water, it wins only 8 Newton. The weight of liquid displaced by object A option 2N, बी ऑप्शन 8n 10, सी ऑप्शन 10n या फिर डी ऑप्शन 12n. So A option is the correct option because object of weight is equal to weight in air minus weight in liquid. So 8n minus 10n minus 8n is equal to 2n. So A option is the correct option. So students, ये थे most important MCQ questions of gravitation. I hope you like it. For more important questions, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.